Joe Vika TV. Yeah. Yeah. Voice to the people, strength to the feeble, good versus evil. Life isn't simple. Flight and the eagles, stitches and the needles, casting all the giggles. Just like dreams and voices in my head. Joe Vika TV. Was to reach you with the truth. Joe Vika TV. Dreams come to reality. Joe Vika TV. Post to reach you with the truth. Joe Vika TV. Dreams come to reality.
Joe Vika TV, poised to reach you with the truth. It's Joe Vika TV in all social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's Joe Vika TV. YouTube. Subscribe and get all notifications.
Hello, wonderful people. Bring you greetings. You are all welcome to this wonderful broadcast. This broadcast is going to be exposing some things maybe that may be more very important to you as an individual, as a group, and as a race. Please, if you have been joking with my broadcast, I want to plead with you. Please don't joke with this one. I want to plead with you. Do me a favor. Be serious with this broadcast, number one. And number two, may it please you to do me a favor, share this broadcast for people to hear. There's a very vital information that I'm going to be disclosing at the course of this broadcast. I'll be sharing some people's thoughts. And if possible, I would also like to hear your own voice by putting up a call, a number for you to call in and air your own view on this subject matter. It's really getting out of hand what a particular race is going through. It has not really been easy with the Igbo race. Let's tell ourselves the truth. But at the same time, we want to look at, has this Igbo race, or is it true that they are the cause of the misfortune? Is it true that they get it wrong at all times while they are going through all this? So the topic, as you can see, that I want to expose the truth behind the demolition of Igbo people's building in Lagos. This now happened to be the trending information, a trending video that have been going around, how the Igbo peoples have lost their properties in Lagos. A couple of them have really been crying. Some people have been saying something like on their own. Some people have targeted as a racist fight or whatever. But I want to give you an honest truth. The information reaching me of what I gathered based on what I gathered about the ugly incidents. But before I delve into the main nitty-gritty of the information I want to pack Marshall at this hour, I will also not fail to pray and ask God to really help us with the Igbos. I really want to ask God to help us. It is really getting out of hand. And that was why I wrote this song and judging us to say, God, help us. God need to help us. Let's take this song for 2 seconds, 2 few minutes as we move ahead.
I have sinned against you, gone short of your glory. I have gone astray, but here I looking for your mercy. Lord Jesus, have mercy on me. Chukwuma, onye ebere ọma ife meme na eze biko maghara. Ife meme na eze biko maghara. Ife meme na eze biko maghara. Ụzọ m chi megide gị na biko maghara na. Ife meme na eze biko maghara. Ị na-abụrụ m nna, ị na-abụrụ m ihe niile. Ife meme na eze biko maghara. You are the Lord, the God of Igbo. Without you, we can do nothing, oh. That's why we come to you, asking for your mercy. Anywhere we have gone astray, please forgive us. If I am a biko maghara, if I am a biko maghara. Umi bono ebe di chiche, obodo di chiche na riogio. If I am a biko maghara, eze maghara yo, Daddy forgive us, oh. If I am a biko maghara, we have gone astray. Lord, pardon our transgressions, oh. If I am a biko maghara. Ibu dike ndị Igbo jaba. Ibu ọzọ ndị Igbo ndụ. Anyị abịawo n'iru gị ịrịọ karịrịọ Chukwu. Akụ na-eche mma biko eze maghara. Eze maghara, eze ndị Igbo maghara Chukwu. Ifeanyi mere eze maghara. Ifeanyi mere Chukwu maghara. Chukwu Ifeanyi mere eze biko maghara. Chukwu.
Hello, welcome back to this wonderful broadcast. As I told you earlier, it's going to be very, very sympathetic. I know this information I'm going to be passing may really be of. I'm not trying to, please watch those of you watching. I'm not trying to raise any fear or any worries in somebody's heart or trying to whoop up your emotion. But I'm trying to make some things straight for us so that we can understand. I want to believe everybody is hearing me loud and clear. Am I correct? I hope. Yeah, I can just through the monitor that my voice is very much out and is being heard loud and clear. Okay. Before I move, permit me to pray briefly. Father, please help us. If we have sinned against you, have mercy. Thank you for all you have been doing for us. Let your name be glorified. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. This broadcast is going to be very, very short and very simple, direct to the point. Very, very short and very, very simple and direct to the point. So, listening to this voice note, many of you may have heard it. Many of you may not have heard it. I want to briefly analyze, I may not finish it all because I have an engagement. I need to attend to something. I want to analyze this particular video now so that we can, some of you who may have not also seen the video where the building is being demolished, you can take a look at it here. This is the video, one of them. I will not be showing you everything now because it's really sympathetic. This is one of the video of the demolition. Yeah. This is the video of the demolition.
mmadụ dị ebe a mmadụ dị akpọbugoro mmadụ ebe a today anyị ha na-arụ ya na-arụ emecha egwu ya
Okay, so as you can see the video of the demolition of, this is just a little part of it, of how most of the buildings, you need to see the standard of the building. These are not shanties. Very sophisticated building, 2-story, 3-story buildings. Almost all are from the Southeast people, the Igbos. Now, when that demolition was going on, a call was put through to an individual. So this guy who works with the government of the day, he was not specific in the government where he worked. So they were calling him the PA, trying to tell him so that he can make call from federal to call these people, the government of Lagos, to stop the demolition. So they couldn't reach the guy, but the PA now told him that somebody has called several times. You guys, you are watching me, maybe you must have had the audio. So they have called several times to talk to him so that he can talk to these people so that they don't keep demolishing the buildings that belongs to the Igbo people. So when they put down the call couldn't go through. So when the guy now came after, he now made this. He now decided to make this. He now decided to make this particular audio through WhatsApp so that everybody will hear. And he said they should play it for all the Igbos if they will hear. Let them hear. So I will be playing this particular. I want to believe the mic will pick it very well so that you can hear me very, very loud and clear.
Concerning issue, brief on everything. Animal, all of that. I'm sorry for that. Concerning issue, in Lagos, a place called Abulado. Anak Position on the Bodia. I could see you. I make a few calls. Kamari, we couldn't know. Dona FHA.
Please, can you guys hear the sound? Can you guys hear the sound? Somebody give me feedback. Are you hearing the sound? If you can't hear it, then let me change to another direction.
The only thing about what I'm hearing
I don't know. Can you guys hear the sound? Can you guys hear the sound? Okay, I'm trying to see if we can. Okay, yes, let me hear the feedback from you. Okay, we can hear. So just give me a few seconds. Let me boost the voice so that it will be very loud and clear. Let me boost the voice so that it will be very loud and clear. Can you hear it now? Can you hear it now?
So the other thing about what I'm here now, akpọba ọnwa ka e kwuru na-emekwarị PM gwara m na oteghe na-akpọ na concerning issue brief and everything. Animal all of that. I'm sorry for that. Concerning the issue when Lagos abroad. Na-akpọsi ụlọ ndị Igbo dị ya na-akụtụsi ụlọ ha emekwa m few calls ka mara ihe ahụ wekwu n'ụlọ bụ na efe iche na ebe ahụ ọnọdụ na ekwesịghị ebe ọnọdụ ya enu ndị Igbo ga-ejikọsị ya na a na-agwa ha na-ego anya kwuo na onwere ihe eme. So the na aghọtara m ihe ị na-akpọnụ akpọba Aso Rock mebe kọntaktị ka were nwee ike stọpụ ha. But ị kwesịrị ịma na distance echigo many times warning concerning this issue ka ọcha ndị Igbo be anyị na egwu a na-agba nkịta. Problem ndị Igbo nwere bụ na ha were ego meruchi ihe niile bụ ego.
Permit me to react briefly now that when this demolition was going on, they were putting call through to this guy. And when they were calling him, they were simply calling him so that he can make contact with Asarok so that he can definitely see if I can talk to them to stop the demolition. And the guy now started saying that he's not going to make any contact, that they should demolish all the building, because he has given this warning severally about those buildings. And why he said that those buildings, according to the Gazette, according to the town planning, old time that was given to Lagos State, those areas fell into industrial area. Listen to him. Then the Hina said, but unfortunately, if he was standing the warning, the Igbo people believe that everything is money. Everything is money. Please listen.
I had all political in life. I'm all political in life when we have as well. I have confused people until they had political in life. Average only Igbo believe in ego everything, everything. So try by enemy. Here only was one nigga no easy. See an agent to a stop warning. You put child or quail. Ọpụọ n'azụ ọ sị na ị na-aghọrị ya aghọrị ịchọọ ka o mee investment n'ebe ya bụ tomorrow to make a sort of big money. They went and be doing the things they want. Then when the problem comes, akpọkasịba na phone na egbuo ha na-enyere ha aka achị kurie ụlọ niile dị ebe a si kurie ya because
so he said that if they want to demolish all the buildings, they should go ahead, because he has given this warning earlier that most of the way we take our property, our building to outside Igbo land is more than expected. That if you go to every town in Nigeria, is Igbo man that made those places to be what that place is. Is it Kaduna? Is it Kano? I'm adding this one. I want to say that the way we went, it's good for you to move out to go and make money. But must you also eat the money where you made it? Must you eat the money in the same land where you made the land? So he's saying that on the opinion that, and when you want to buy land, go for town planning gazette of a particular community, a particular state, or town planning. Let them tell you this place, what is the future plan of those particular area. Now, this place they build house because they saw that there is constant light in that area and there is 30 gauge or whatever gauge. And they decide to move in to start building. But they didn't ask why those it's having gazetted to have constant light, power fed supply. Because they have in mind to put their industrial over there. But if you tell the people, our people, please don't build in this place. Don't build in this place. They say you are the boy, are you wise? And and they will start insulting you and talking some things, thinking that everything is money. He said that we are not political in nature. We don't know how to play political game, and that is what we're suffering. Let me play. I'm going to be stopping here because I have an appointment now. So fortunate, but I'm going to be stopping here. Watch again.
Concerning some of set up all these tribes and set you know. Let me tell you, all these Lagos who do they plan now invest in the Igbo now Wopia. Ever in a plan, sometimes general map allocation, do on you, can they heavier in a plan, can they hear the bay for a place called Amount of it, the Bogoligo is an industrial area.
Now he said that a place called Amodafia, is an industrial area. In that place is meant to build industries. But unfortunately, the Igbos are living there. They've all bought all the land. Now, tomorrow, when they come to get them demolished, and with at least they are against Igbo, they are fighting Igbo. So, to an extent, we should watch the way we put our money into some things. And these people know that this thing belongs to a particular thing, and they will deceive you, sell the land to you, and you will buy it, and they keep coming to demolish. But what is paining me, as we are crying that demolition our brother in Lagos, look at what the military men are doing. Look at what they're doing. This is the latest happening now. Later to the army will bounce on the Later to the army will bounce on the building belong to Igbo people. When the unknown government comes to kill any military man on the road or anywhere, the community or the people living around there, they will go and tell them that so person coming to your house. And they said, no, we didn't see anybody. You say you didn't see anybody. Then they say it will burn all the building. This is having the trend. This has continued. I'm going to be making a video on that anyway, but this has continued to be like this for a long time. That was prompted these people now to go for protest. To go for protest. Why are we going through all this? That's my question. I want to stop here because I just received a call to do something now at work. But why are we going to do all this? I'm going to be having 1 hour and I would like people to join me. I'm going to be playing the audio in full, maybe on Sunday. All things being equal. Somebody should going to join me. Let's play the video. Let's take analysis. And I want to invite 2 people. If you know the politics, you know what you can tell us. I would like to have a guest. I'll be sharing link to people to join us. Let's discuss on the matter. Igbo, is it not time we take a decision? What is happening? Must we continue to lose? Must we continue to cry every day? What is happening? So we need to discuss on this. I don't care. Please, I need people to on Sunday by your Nigerian time. By that should be around let's say around 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. I want people to volunteer. Send me message. Either DM or my WhatsApp number is on my page there. Send me message if you want to be part of this particular discussion. Let's discuss. We're going to listen to that audio in detail and discuss a way forward. Thank you and God bless you. I will stop here so far because of time. I will stop here so time. And they know, they know that those people they're selling. You guys would want to buy everywhere. Have you ever wondered why are these people not also buying our own side? Why are they not coming to build our own side? Why don't they? If Dangote does he have building in anywhere in Southeast? Eh?
Yeah, this is Joe Vika Television, all the way from California City, all over the world. This is Joe Vika Television. Come on, yeah. Everybody got a story, either lose or win. Everybody imperfection, everybody sin. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, everybody got a team. This is Joe Vika Television, making story films. In types enough for magazines or take a bulletin. When they take my advice, live your dream and do your thing. Nowadays, things we be seen, be like no be seen. In Joe Vika Television, truth is what we sing. We are boys to reach you with the truth. Oh, oh, oh. California, from here we reach the world. Oh, oh, oh. It's Joe Vika Television everywhere. Oh, oh, oh.
Joe Vika TV. Information, breaking news, politics, interaction, religion, and everything. Joe Vika Television. Poised to reach you with the truth.